Okay, I noticed something about this problem here. And I'm going to take the second equation and multiply it by 2. And that's 2xy equals 2ab. Now this could be a dead end. I just multiply by 2. I'm going to add it to this equation over here. And what would you get? You get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals a6 plus b6 over a squared b squared, and then it would be plus 2ab. All right, left side, perfect square, x plus y squared. Just hoping for the best on the other side too, and that's a squared b squared. Then you get a6 plus 2a squared b squared plus b6. Let's hope for the best. X plus y squared equals, well, it looks like a perfect square, doesn't it? Looks like a cubed plus b cubed squared. You know what? I'm sorry, I made a mistake over. This is cubes. Sorry about that. So this does work out. I'm glad I checked it and found my error. And the bottom is just a squared b squared. All right, what do I notice now? X plus y, I'm using the square root rule, is plus or minus the square root of that, which is pretty simple. A cubed plus b cubed over ab. And then I'm going to do a little simplification over here because I'm realizing this might be tough to have to go substitute back in somewhere. So I'm going to write this as a cubed over ab, which would be a squared over b plus b squared over a. All right, I'm going to make a leap of faith here, and I'm looking at this over here, and I realize that x plus y has to equal out over there. So there's going to be 4 solutions to the problem. So how do you know that? Well, that's a good question. How do I know that? And let's take a look at that. I got to discuss why there's 4 solutions over there. Okay, again, visualizing these things, circle, hyperbola. So circle, hyperbola, something like this over here. Up to 4 solutions, all right? So I'm going to write down what appears to be 4 solutions to the problem over here, and let's write this down. And again, I got a combination over here, and again, I'm focusing on this now, all right? So maybe it's a squared b, that's the x, and b squared a. I could write that one down. I could also write down, let's see, b squared over a, that's a square, comma, a squared over b, right? I did the plus part. Let's do the minus part now. What could it be? It could be minus a squared over b, and then minus, I'm doing the minus part now, minus b squared over a. We'll check the key later. Or I could say minus b squared over a minus a squared over b. And I'm going to claim they're my 4 solutions. Of course, I would go back and check in the original system, and I want to see if I got those 4 solutions over there. So a squared over b squared over a, I see that. Let's see, b squared over a squared over b, I see that. Minus a squared over b minus b squared over a minus b squared, yep, everything is fine. Everything's working out as advertised. Now granted, as advertised doesn't make it true, but if you want to, you can go back in the original system and plug it in. And what I mean by that, and again, you might say it's overly retentive. I would go back and check it. All 4 solutions there. I check all 4. All right, make sure all 4 work out. All right, let me remind you who I am. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns related to the document. Thank you.